Good morning, students. Today I will start a new chapter which is moments, skewness, and kurtosis. Moments. First, we will learn about moments. So, there's nothing to explain, it's just the definition and what are the moment. That's it. Okay. So, for any given values of variables, let's say xi's, and such as x1, x2 up to xn, for simple distribution, the ordinary moment of order r about an arbitrary origin a. So order r, arbitrary origin a, that is with respect to any origin, is expressed as follows: mr about the origin a. This is the dash, just representing the moment, ordinary moment. Okay, the formula is, if there is n values of the variables, then 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus a whole to the power r. I equals to 1 2 sorry for r equals to 0 1 2 3 up to. So if we put r equals to 0, that means order 0 with respect to a. The value will be m0 dash a. This is the zero order moment. Okay, zero order moment will be 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus a whole to the power 0. That means this value always will be 1. Okay, so 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n of 1. So this sum value is, that is the sum of n1. When I equals to 1, the value is 1. I equals to 2 plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 plus 1, how many 1? That is n, sum of n times 1. Okay, that value is n, so 1. Okay, now next, first moment about a. First moment, that means m1 dash a, about a. Okay, which is a is the origin about anything. So these are the ordinary moments. Okay, so m1 dash a will be 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus a whole to the power 1. So that means 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n. This is xi. So if I put a first bracket here, minus summation I equals to 1 to n only a. So as a is origin, so a can be taken out. So 1 by n, if we multiply 1 by n both side, 1 by n summation a xi minus 1 by n, a will be taken out. So summation I equals to 1 to n only 1. So 1 by n summation xi, that this is the mean of the distribution, so which is x bar minus 1 by n into a into this is n cancelled out, so x bar minus a. So see, this is the first moment about a. Similarly, second moments about a will be m2 dash a equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus a whole to the power square, and so on. So on means third moment will be m cube, fourth moment will be, this power will be 4. Okay, sorry. So on the other hand, if the distribution has for a frequency distribution, if xi, x1, x2, x3, xn have the frequencies of f1, f2, f3, f4, so the ordinary moment about A of order R for a frequency distribution will be MR A equals to 1 by n, capital N, summation I equals to 1 to n Fi xi minus A whole to the power R. Okay, where n equals to summation Fi, total number of frequencies. Okay, here R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So first order of ordinary moment of order about A will be, the power will be 1 if there is a frequencies. Okay, so these are the total ordinary moment. Okay, now based on about A, there are particular two origins, which is origin 0 if we take 0, A equals to 0, and if we take A equals to x bar. So for A equals to 0 or x bar, when the origin about 0 or origin about x bar, there are two particular moment will arrive. One, for origin 0, that moment will be called the raw moments. Okay, if the origin is about x bar, that means mean of the distribution, that moment will be called the central moments. Okay, so raw moments are the moments about origin 0, and the central moments are the moments about arithmetic mean x bar. Okay, so the raw moments, so we have to find the raw moments. First we find the raw moments. So for raw moments, A equals to 0. So if we put A equals to 0, then first the central moment is denoted by MR dashed. So MR dash will be 1 by n, for simple distribution, 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi to the power R. Okay, as A is 0, and for frequency distribution, MR dash will be 1 by capital N summation I equals to 1 to n Fi xi to the power R. We know what is capital N. So similarly, first raw moment is MR dash, which is equals to 1 by MR dash means M1 dash, first raw moment M1 dash, 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi to the power 1. This is the x bar. Okay, and second raw moment M2 dash equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi square. Similarly, M3 dash equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi cube. So these are the raw moments about origin 0. And for group frequency distribution, M1 dash equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n Fi xi to the power 1. So this is also x bar for group frequency distribution. Okay, M2 dash equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n Fi xi square, and so on. So these are the raw moments. Okay, Now center moments sorry, central moments are about origin 0. Central moments. So central moments is about origin. Arithmetic mean x bar. Okay. So it will be denoted as MR. There will be no hyphen or dashed in the top of M. Okay. So central moments are denoted by MR. R means the rth central moment. So rth central moment is 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square. Okay. R equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So if we put r equals to 1, we will get the first central moment. So first central moment m1 equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar. Okay, so 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n x bar. So this is x bar minus 1 by n. As x bar is a fixed number, so this can be taken out. So if we remain I equals to 1 to n, only 1, which is n. n cancel out, x bar minus x bar equals to 0. So we see that first central moment is always 0. Now second central moment m2. So m2 is 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar then square. We have already learned in the dispersion chapter this is equals to the variance, which is sigma square, right? Similarly m3 equals to the third central moment 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole cube. Okay, and so on. So we see that if we take r equals to 0, then this value m0 equals to 1. So for any moment, that is central moment or non-central moment. So after we learned raw moment, central moment and ordinary moment, next we will only discuss about central moment and non-central moment. So central moment is about x bar and non-central moment is about anything. If the non-central moment is about origin 0, then it will be called raw moments, and if not, then others will be called the ordinary moments whenever the asked the or whatever be the origin. Okay, so we see that for any when r equals to 0, m0 dash a, that is the non-central moment, and n0 are all equal to 1, right? You see that when r equals to 0, when 0 will be placed, this is 1, n will be cancelled out, which will be 1, and I have already told you when r equals to 0, this is 1. Okay, and for r equals to 0, m0 dash a equals to x bar minus a, and m0 equals to m1 first central moments, m1 equals to 0. This is central moment equals to 0. This is ordinary moments when r equals to, this is for 0, when r equals to 1. When r equals to 2, that is m2 dash a. When r equals to 0, that is m2 dash a. There is nothing to simplified form. So the formula is 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus 8 whole square, and m2, that is the central moment, m2 equals to sigma square, that is variance. Okay, also for frequency distribution it will be the variance. Okay, so these are the properties you can write as, or r equals to 3. Now this we have to calculate. 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n xi minus a cube, and m3 equals to 1 by n summation 1 to n xi minus x bar cube. Now for frequency distribution, here will be fi and also here will be fi. So these are the moments of order 1 ordinary, order 2 ordinary uncidental, order 3 ordinary uncidental, and so on. Okay, so just study it, this part. In the next class I will be teach the relation between central and non-central moments, and then some example, and then skewness kurtosis. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.